I didn't come here just to talk. I came to tell you the story of Grandpa Quad. A long time ago, Paul and Patricia Polygon came from far off Figureland to America. Okay? And they decided to settle down. They were looking for a better life. They had many, many children. Okay? It was a hard life. They had a lot of different kids. There was Tina Triangle, Whitley Quadrilateral, Peter Pentagon, Henry Hexagon, and many more. They all went off and started their own families. But this story is about Grandpa Quad and his family. So quickly, he was just an ordinary quadrilateral. 4 random sides slapped together. Wasn't much to look at. Hard worker though, and he eventually found a wife. They got married on the 4th day of the 4th month of the year in a lovely 4-sided church. Soon after they had 2 kids. First there was Casey Kite. Now, like his dad, he had 4 sides, but he got an extra property. He had 2 pair of equal sides. They were adjacent to each other. Didn't really fit in with everybody else so much though, and he kind of ran off on his own. Didn't really get married or anything. Then there was Tony Trapezoid. Now, Tony was a strapping young lad. Not only did he have 4 sides, he had 2 parallel sides. Eventually, he met a cute trapezoid named Tricia. They got married and had 2 kids of their own. He's known as Grandpa Quad from then on. Ian Isosceles Trapezoid, not only did he have a pair of parallel sides, just like his dad, he had a pair of equal base angles as well. Because of that, he had equal non-base sides. He had such a perfect symmetry about him. Nobody was ever good enough for him. Kind of went off on his own, you know. Then there was Polly Parallelogram. She ended up with 2 sets of parallel sides. And eventually, she had 2 kids of her own. There was Robert Rhombus and Rita Rectangle. They both had 2 pair of parallel sides. Robert had 4 equal sides, and Rita had 4 right angles. Polly couldn't afford to keep them. Had to give them away at birth. They were separated, never meet each other. They met each other as adults. Of course, not knowing they were brother and sister, well, they fell in love, got married. I said you can't make this stuff up. And they had 1 child. His name was Sammy Square. Now, Sammy had Robert's 4 equal sides and Rita's 4 right angles. Had everybody's properties, in fact. Granted, being the son of brother and sister, he didn't have any more kids of his own. Now, of course, he did look back at his lineage, and he found that he carried the trait for tightness, and he carried the trait for isosceles trapezoidness. Now, the legacy of Grandpa Quad grows. He and his family have helped solve all kinds of problems. Become so well known that the story's been told in classrooms and textbooks all over the world.